Did you know that software patches were once literal cloth? I didn't, but in this video, we'll demystify how the hell that happened. In the depth of early computing, precision was sacred, and error was exile. Yet, buried in this machine-born mythology is a truth so bizarre, so tactile, it defies everything we know about software. We speak of patches. We install them without thought. But once, just once, ask yourself, why do we call them that? Now stop scrolling. Behind every slick app and every cloud service lies an ancient ritual, punching holes in stiff cardstock. Today we click run, but back then engineers literally punched out code one hole at a time. Imagine your entire program printed on hundreds or even thousands of these cards. One hole per bit, one card per line of code, one mispunched hole and your masterpiece vanished. No backspace, no undo, no Ctrl-Z. If you lost or damaged a single card, you hit a brick wall. Reordering a shuffled deck could take hours, even days, turning debugging into an extreme sport. This was software development in the analog age, a higher stakes puzzle where one slip meant starting over. We are so used to instant updates that it's easy to forget how coding once looked and felt, more like carpentry than typing. In this age of punch cards, a mispunched hole wasn't a typo. It was a death sentence for your entire program. Engineers faced two brutal choices: scrap hundreds of cards or attempt the unthinkable. They chose the latter. They cut a tiny piece of fabric, a cotton, silk or even wool, just large enough to cover the errant hole. With a single needle and thread, they stitched this patch onto the card, blocking the wrong punch and creating a new surface to repunch the correct hole. Imagine leaning over a stack of 500 cards, thread trembling between your fingers, praying your stitches hold. One slip, one loose fiber and your data and sanity could unravel in an instant. This wasn't folklore. IBM's official manuals detailed the cloth patch procedure as part of standard maintenance. Technicians worldwide learned to treat punch cards like fragile canvases, weaving textile repair into the very fabric of computing. What began as a literal needle and thread ritual morphed into a universal metaphor for fixing, refining, and evolving software. The patch stitched together both worlds, textile and digital, and the name stuck. As punch cards gave way to magnetic tape and printed listings, engineers still call their hotfixes patches. They'd circle typos in red ink, jot down replacement lines in the margin, then hand the markup to a colleague to rekey. So next time you click that patch button, remember, you're not just updating software, you're part of a centuries-spanning tradition of careful craftsmanship, threading new fixes into the tapestry of technology. If you enjoyed this journey from cloth to code, hit subscribe, drop a comment on your favorite patch story, and join me as I unravel more hidden histories behind the tools we take for granted. Thanks for watching.